Hello friends. Today I want to discuss about a beautiful program that I recently joined. It's a wealth mastery program conducted by or coached by Mitesh Khatri, and it's just been around a 1 month only, but I have started getting so many of results out of that. So I thought of creating a small video on that so that you all also start getting into it and then start taking benefits out of that. Okay, so before joining this course or wealth mastery course, I had so many limiting beliefs within me, like I am not good enough. I usually don't I take for granted of the small money that I had. I don't respect the big money. I always had the limiting belief that I do not have enough. I also believe that the passive income does not play a major role in our life. Also, I had a limiting belief like I cannot become a millionaire. I cannot earn like a rich person or like a billionaire. So these kind of limiting beliefs that I already had, but after joining this wealth mastery course, believe me, all these limiting beliefs are always now at the bottom. I don't see all these limiting beliefs now within me. The good part of this wealth mastery course was it enabled me to think as I am financially free. It enabled me to create a goal which I can achieve the goal, and after certain period of time I can be financially free. Like you can say from 7 years in the down the line, I see myself as if I am financially free. And there is a very beautiful system over here which I like the most. It is PMDSPM system, and applying this PMDSPM system, I already having a crystal clear picture of all my incomes, all of my savings, all of my expenses. So the beautiful structure of that system is really helping me, and I have been following in since last month. And if you will talk about my income or my saving that I already had since I joined this course, it's not, as I already told, it's not been a long time since I joined the wealth mastery course, but believe me, during this just 20 days of time, I already started consciously started 10% of income which I already invested in wealth mastery course. I had just to pay 10k on the wealth mastery course, but believe me, out of that wealth mastery 10k payment, already received 10k in just 20 days. So it's really working for me, and it also gave me different path or different ways where I can invest my money, and I can develop or I can multiply my savings. I started doing RD investments. I started doing FD investments. I started putting money on the stocks. So that all give me or opened up different areas for me to grow up. And also another very nice part of this wealth mastery course was it enabled me to identify what all skills I have. Right, I already had the skills, but I don't know myself that I could usually monetize those skills. So I started a new course or new sessions so that I can learn and earn from my skills. So I started IoT course, I started Rubik's Cube courses, I started YouTube video making courses. So all these courses are now new areas, you can say, or new sources of my income. So if you can just imagine, within just 20 days I have achieved so much that I have gained so much of confidence that I can achieve a lot more in the near future. So I always recommend to each and everyone, please try once this course and please join this wealth mastery course. Thank you so much.